Hello and welcome to the demo for MicroSAAS AI. In this video I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can deploy one of the built-in apps and how quickly you can build a custom app. Now first I'm going to show you the built-in apps. So go to app types and go to built-in. We can see this one here is not deployed. This is our email system. We've got our feed system as well and our video system. All these aren't deployed, the other ones are deployed. So I'm just going to do the email system. So I'm going to click on this little drop down. I'm going to click deploy. I'm going to deploy to a domain. Now you can add your domains into MicroSAAS AI, or you can use the ones that we have added as well. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to add a subdirectory that the domain will use for the app. So I'm going to call this email1. I'm going to give this a site name. I'm going to call it email tool. I'm going to leave the logout redirect as login.php. I can change that if I wish to another URL. I can change the admin username. I just need to add a password in. So I'm just going to add a password in. Put password in there. I can add my terms and conditions in, my support desk in, and email address in as well. But I'm just going to click deploy, and this is how easy it is to deploy an app. It is now creating the database and setting everything up. So you can see it's created and deployed the app. Now here is the admin login. Here is the register user account. This is where your users register their account. This is where your users log in. And the admin login is where you control the system. So let's log in here. Now when you log in, you can see there's no users at the moment, so we've just deployed this system. So inside here you can see it's blank because there is no users as yet. So we've got our credit system, we've got our settings here. Now our settings is where we set all the white label details up. So for example, you've got your terms and conditions link, you've got your support link, support email, your logout redirect, you've got admin username, admin password. You've got your Warrior Plus secret key or JVZoo JVZ IPN secret key. All the apps can be protected via Warrior Plus and JVZoo. We have a built-in system where you can connect up the apps to JVZoo. For example, when anyone purchases through you, it will automatically issue a username and password. We have tutorials to cover this, to how everything is set up. Now we have a credit system here as well. You can add in your user key, or you can let the users use their key. So depending on what kind of sales mode you're going to use, you can use your key or let users use their key. We also have a credit system as well. Now you can also turn on and off the register page. You can change the color scheme if you wish. You can change the different AI models. We have preset AI models in here. You can upload HTML and you can upload a logo. Once you've done all that, you can hit save. That's a quick look at the admin area. Now creating custom apps. Let's come across to a custom app. I'm going to create a very simple and quick custom app in here. So I'm going to give this app a name. I'm going to call this Etsy Creator. This will be a quick Etsy Creator. I'm going to put it under category of e-commerce. Now here we can have single or multi-prompts. If we move down to multi-prompts, you can see we've got multi-prompts here. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to hit single prompts. Now we can add a scraper into the system as well. So this would be if you wanted to scrape data from a site that you wanted to summarize and start to create content for inside the applications. If you wanted to do that, you could use the scraper. I'm not going to add a scraper into this quick and simple app for Etsy. Now you can also add the audience in here, as you can see. So you've got the audience, you've got your language, and you've got your tone. I'm going to add the audience in. You can see the shortcodes drop down here. Language and tone. So I'm going to create the prompt, and then I'll show you how this looks. So we're going to add in here, I want you to act as an expert on listing Etsy products. I would like you to write me a description for this product. I'll put the prompt in here in a moment. And I would like you to give me 3 descriptions to choose from. I would also like 3 headlines for this product, and I would like you to output 10 key words for this product. I would like you to write in this tone. Then we're going to add the tone shortcode in this language. I'm going to add the language in for this audience. I'm going to add audience in. And I would like you to suggest the best category in Etsy for this product. So what I'm going to do is create a product shortcode in the custom field. So we're going to type product. You can see that's gone there. Label is product description. We're going to use a text field, but we could have a drop down. So if we wanted to have multiple options here, we could. So if you click on multiple options, you can see. Just going to do a simple text field for this, placeholder, add product details. Just like that. We're not going to add any more in here, but you can add multiple custom fields in and multiple prompts. So what we're going to do is then add the product shortcode in that we've just added. So once that's done, save all. You can see the product saved. We're going to manage apps. Now let's go to the one we've just created. So we're going to test this. So in testing mode, you can choose the AI model to see which is best for the output. You can also add a custom AI model as well. Product name and category is disabled in test, but here are the shortcodes that I set. Language, so I'm going to use English. You can choose multiple languages. Target audience, I'm going to use female. Tone, I'll use friendly. And my product details are handmade bath salts. Okay, so we're going to run a test now and see what the AI comes back with. Okay, so we've got 3 descriptions for that product. We've got 3 headlines, we've got the keywords, and we've got the best category for that. Now we can export that as a doc text PDF and copy it as well. Now what you can do with this app then is, if you go back, if we wanted to kind of deploy that then and start selling it or giving it away, whichever, we just hit deploy and then we can deploy that app as well. And that's how to create a custom app. Now, the more time you spend on the app, obviously the better it's going to be.